Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about 5 tax-free income for NRIs. Yes, it's possible and it is available. So in this video I'm going to share some details about 5 income sources where NRI has to pay zero taxes. What are those sources? How you can use that? Everything I'm going to explain in this video. So let's begin. So first income source for NRIs where there is no taxes is NRE FDs. So friends, if you are putting your money in NRE accounts as a FD and you're getting whatever income on that, that will be completely tax free. So one way you get to keep your foreign earning in an account which is virtually out of India. So if you are trying to withdraw money from NRE account, you can easily withdraw. You don't have to file any forms. You don't have to take any CA certificates. At the same time, you get very handsome FD return on NRI FDs and you can enjoy tax-free income on that. Some people in some countries where the tax rate is quite low, somehow they manage to get some kind of loan from there and use some part of that loan here to put in FD. So suppose in some country where there's a loan rate is 2%, 3%, they take loan some way. Of course you have to use those loan for that purpose, but somehow if you can manage, you can get some sort of that loan here in India and invest there. You can earn 5% tax-free income without doing anything. So it's also a very wonderful idea. If you can explore, you can discuss with me more about it. Second source of income you can create by buying and selling residential properties. I already tell this that how you can use residential property and like a deduction on the residential property to create a zero capital gain tax in long term, in whole of your life, in my one of my video which recently I released. If you have not watched this video, you can watch the video here. So in that video I explained how as an investor, as an NRI or resident, you can just rotate your money and get tax-free income if you are investing in residential property. Now I already tell, but if I just want to give a brief, suppose you're buying a property today and you are selling after a period, you just need to invest the capital gain amount in another property or capital gain bonds, and your capital gain will be tax-free. And this you can rotate till the time you have number of properties up to 2. So this can be very much possible that because you are already staying out of India, you can buy a house just for investment purpose, or maybe 2 houses also, and you can just keep rotating, selling them and reinvesting in another real estate property by increasing their size and something. For example, you started with 50 lakhs, then after certain points you sold that property for 1 crore, 50 lakh. So you can invest a minimum 50 lakh rupees in another property, or you can invest the whole amount like 1 crore in bigger property, then sell that property after certain period. See, you get 1.5 lakh crore rupees, you can invest in further a big property. So this way, if you can keep rotating one real estate or 2 real estate property and keep investing in another real residential property, then you will end up paying zero taxes on capital gain and you can just pocket all your money. So that is second source of income you can generate in India. Now third tax-free source of income for NRIs or zero tax income for NRIs are the interest on FCNR account. Now understand one thing. If you are coming back to India as a non-resident, so up to 3 or 4 years you stay in a bracket which is called not ordinary residents, and you get a facility where if you have earned your income in foreign currency, you can keep that all income in foreign currency in an account known as FCNR. Now in FCNR account, what is the benefit? First thing, your money is always in foreign currency. So there is nothing called a depreciation as against to INR, because lots of people complain that okay, when I convert from US dollar to INR already always going to be down as compared to USNR. So I lose in currency conversion even if I make some money. So if you just want to avoid that, you can open a FCNR account, do an FD, and you can earn interest on that. The interest is tax free, plus your money is always in foreign currency. Anytime you can withdraw and you can take it abroad anywhere. There will not be any question asked because already this money is in foreign currency and considered outside India. This is only available if once you're planning to come down to India for 3 or 4 years, you can take this benefit. Now fourth way you can take tax-free income from, you can earn tax-free income from India as an NRI. If you are planning to invest in India, instead of investing directly yourself, you can invest through foreign mutual funds or foreign institutional investor FII. So there are so many funds which are available if you're staying abroad, which basically collect money from all across that country, and they come and invest in India. Now, though for all those FPIs and foreign mutual funds, the government of India has a different set of tax rule. So they definitely have to pay taxes, but the taxes is paid by the mutual fund houses. Whatever after that is going to come, it is going to be coming distributed to you most of time tax free, because already they paid some kind of taxes. In some kind of mutual fund which invest in a target area where government want to be invested, first thing, you get better growth return. Second thing, in most of cases the tax collection is either zero or the TDS rate is just 5% or something like that. So you can just find out more. I will make more video on such mutual funds or FPIs or investment schemes, which as a NRI you can invest outside India, and then those FPIs or those investments like institutional investment like companies or whatever you can call them, institutional investors, they invest in India, and when they plug back the profit, you get tax-free profit, or the profit is taxed at very low rate as compared to the tax rate when you are going to invest directly. So this is the most important part, because most of people are not aware that such situation is available for NRIs. For resident people, it's not possible that I go outside and invest my money in some foreign fund, then fund come back, because that will be called a circulatory investment, and which is prohibited in India for Indian resident. But for NRIs, it's very much possible. Last but not least, if I want to tell you the source number 5, which is completely tax free, is capital gain up to 1.25 lakhs. So recently in budget, the capital gain up to 1.2, long-term capital gain up to 1.25 lakhs rupees is exempt. Now, if you are not a frequent trader and you are going for a long-term investment and booking profit sometime, if you can plan your profit booking in such a way that you never exceed 1.25 lakh rupees of long-term capital gain on stock market, you can always take that money free every year. And suppose if you are investing through your family members also, suppose there is 4 or 5 family members, up to 5 to 6 lakhs rupees, suppose 5 members are there and you open demat account, and you are just planning a way that you sell stocks so that it should not go more than 1.25 lakhs, up to 6 lakhs rupees tax free long-term capital gain you can take with you without paying any taxes on that. Now some people will say, sir, it's not very straightforward, it's not very simple. But let me tell you, sir, if you want to make money, you have to work. If you want to save money, you have to plan, you have to maybe little bit, you have to work hard on that. So here also, any tax planning, you have to take certain steps. It cannot be very simple, otherwise everybody will do. But again, it is up to you if you want to save your taxes or save your money. And if you want to save your money, little bit of efforts, planning, actions is required. So these all things I told you from a perspective of those people who really want to save their taxes so that they can reinvest, they can use, and they can enjoy those money. And of course, we are here to help you if you really want more ideas, more information on such tax planning or tax saving, you can say ideas or tips. So you can contact me or my team by either calling, sending email, or you can put as a comment also. If it's a simple question, a common question, you can put as a comment. Either me or my team will come back and reply on that. If it's a specific question, please don't put your personal details on comment section, because it's a public platform. Better to send a mail. The mail is available on the front page or first page of my YouTube video, and then you can just send it, and my team will definitely revert back on those questions and queries. That's all in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe and share with other NRI people who may find it useful. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.